हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज बच्चों हम सेकंड चैप्टर 8th क्लास का इक्वेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम 7th क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं। हम देखेंगे कि एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, थोड़ा पिछली साल का हमने जो पढ़ा है उसको एक बार रिमाइंड करें और देखें कि एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन होता क्या है। एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन involving constant, variable and sum operation like addition, multiplication, etc. is called algebraic expression. That is, it is an expression which consists variable, constant and sum operations like that addition, multiplication, division, addition, multiplication, subtraction, like that, all the operation, mathematical operation which are involved in algebraic expression, these are called algebraic expression. We take example, algebraic expression क्या है हमारा कि इसमें टर्म्स होती हैं like that 8x minus का 5, इट कंसिस्ट टू टर्म्स, इसमें दो टर्म्स हैं, 8x है और दूसरी जो टर्म है वो -5 है। अब यहां पर हम देखेंगे x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है। x का कोफिशिएंट है 8 एंड वेरिएबल हो गया हमारे यहां पर x हो गया, 1 वेरिएबल हुआ एंड कांस्टेंट 5 इज द -5 इज द कांस्टेंट। हियर we take what is the variable, variable a quantity which has no fixed value, a quantity which has no fixed value, like that we can say that the cost of a book is x. For example, we take cost of a book is rupees x and cost of a pen is rupees y. Here x and y both are variable whose values are not fixed or definite. So x and y is called the variable. Now non-variable quantity or constant, those quantities which have fixed value, those quantities which has a definite value is called a constant. Like that we can say the cost of a pen is rupees 5. Here 5 is a constant and now we take another example 5x minus 7. Here coefficient of x is 5, variable is x, and constant is minus 7. Here coefficient a number followed by a number followed by a variable is called coefficient of that variable is called coefficient of that variable. Now we come on term term. A term is any number a term is any number or variable separated by operators. Like that we can take example 5x plus 3x plus 4. It has two terms, 3x and 4 are two terms. Now we come on what is the equation. अब हम आएंगे कि इक्वेशन क्या है. एंड स्टेटमेंट which says that the two expressions are equal is called equation. An equation. Like that 8x minus 16 is equal to 0. It is an equation. Now we come up on linear equation. Linear expression we come on linear equation. A linear expression is an expression whose highest power of the variable is 1 only. Like that 2x plus 7, 5 y plus 9, 7x plus 4. These are algebraic linear expressions linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable, if there is only one variable in the equation, if there is only one variable in the equation, then it is called linear equation in one variable. Then it is called linear equation in one variable. Left hand side of the equation must be equal to the right hand side. Then we take some more examples to solve the linear equation. इस एक्सरसाइज में 2.1 में आज हम लीनियर इक्वेशन को किस तरह से सॉल्व किया जाता है, विच कंसिस्ट द वन वेरिएबल. नाउ वी टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. In 6th class, we solve such type of the linear equations. 7th class, and by error and trial method. Like that, value of x, value of variable, left hand side, and here right hand side. Now we write 2x, we take the value of x is equal to 1, 2 multiply 1 plus 4 is equal to, we get 2 1 is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and right hand side is 0. Now we take x is equal to 2, then in place of x we write 2, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 we get 2 to the 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then here is 0. Therefore we can take the negative value of x, because the value, if we put the value of x positive, then the value of the equation become larger and larger. So we take the value of x negative, x equal to -1. Now we put 2 multiply -1 plus 4 is equal to -2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Then here is 0. And now we put the value of x -2 in the given equation in place of x. 2 multiply -2 plus 4 is equal to -4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Then right hand side is also 0. Here LHS is equal to RHS, right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore solution of the equation is equal to -2. Because by putting the value of x is equal to -2, both the sides of the equation, linear equation, become equal. So we can take the value of x is equal to -2. That will be the solution of the linear equation. Now we take some more examples to solve the linear equation. Like that, in each type of the cases, we have taken plus, now we take minus, another multiplication, and then division. In case of subtraction, 5x minus 7 is equal to 3. We take this equation and we want to solve the equation that is value of x. Now we also apply the error and trial method, but now here we apply the shortcut method by which we will solve such type of the equations in future. Like that, 5x here minus, this is the left hand side before the equal to symbol. It is the negative, it is the left hand side and it is called the right hand side. Here we bring the constant quantity to the right hand side, which consists the minus sign, so it will become positive whenever we bring the -7 to right hand side. The sign of the -7 will become plus whenever we bring this in right hand side. 7 plus 3, we get here 10. 5x, we put the implies sign, implies or symbol. X here we can divide both the sides. We can divide both the sides by 5. और हम डायरेक्टली भी हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं और कह सकते हैं कि by dividing the 5 on both sides, here 5 upon 5x upon 5 is equal to 10 upon 5, that will become to 2. Now here 5 is in multiplication of x, therefore we will bring this in left hand side, so it will become the division, denominator of the fraction, that is 10 upon 5, 5 upon 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर ये जो साइन है, ये जो नंबर है हमारा 5 है, वो x की मल्टीप्लाई में है, जब हम इसको राइट हैंड साइड में लाएंगे तो यह मल्टीप्लाई से डिवाइड में आ जाएगा। ये आप जानते ही हैं कि इधर यदि माइनस का साइन है तो राइट हैंड साइड में आकर के प्लस हो जाता है, मल्टीप्लाई है तो डिवाइड हो जाता है, और डिवाइड है तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है, सब्ट्रैक्शन है तो एडिशन हो जाता है, और इधर यदि प्लस है तो इधर आके माइनस हो जाता है। इट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ x is equal to 2. Now we take another example to solve the equation. Now we take 5x or 7x, we take 7x minus 4 is equal to 10. Now we solve like the before. Here minus sign, so we will bring minus 4 towards right hand side. Then 7x is equal to 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 7x is equal to 14. Here 7 is in multiplication. Whenever we find the value of x, then it will bring 7, bring in the denominator. Then value of x is equal to 14 upon 7. 7 1 ja 7 2 ja. Here x is equal to 2 also. Implies. We put this implies symbol, but not equal to. Now such type of examples we apply subtraction, multiplication and addition. Now we take another example of division. 5t upon 4 plus 2 is equal to 28. Now we will find out the value of t. How we can solve it? First of all, here is 2. We bring it in right hand side, so it will become negative 28 minus 2, and in left hand side 5t upon 4 will be left. Now we get 26. 5t upon 4. Then we find the value of t. 4 is in division. When we will bring 4 in right hand side, it will multiply with 26. Then 5 is in multiplication with t. Then we bring 5 in right hand side, then it will divide. 26 multiply 4. Then we get 26 multiply 4, 102. Here 104 upon 5. Then we get value of t is equal to 104 upon 5. और now we take another example, 3x upon 7 minus 4 is equal to 26. 3x upon 7 is equal to 26 plus 4, it will become 30. 3x upon 7, here x is equal to 30 multiply 7 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, then we get 70. x is equal to 70. तो उम्मीद है स्टूडेंट्स आप इस चैप्टर को अच्छी तरह से एक्सरसाइज को 2.1 को कर लेंगे। इस एक्सरसाइज के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, यदि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है देन वी विल सॉल्व एंड यू विल कॉल मी।